Hi guys, welcome back. And today we are going to have a very interesting session. Okay, so what is that all about? Video marketing strategy. Okay, but if you want to implement video marketing strategy, right? Okay, so there are two components here. Okay, one is organic, and one is paid. So today we are going to implement video marketing strategy on YouTube. Okay, so now let me open my Excel file here. Okay, so now let's understand on YouTube SEO, that is organic marketing, right? Okay, so first we will understand on YouTube SEO. What is YouTube SEO? Okay, let's understand what is SEO first. That's called as search engine optimization, right? Okay, now why do you need YouTube SEO? You need to have this answer, because it's simple answer. You have to rank your videos in YouTube search, okay, in top 3 results. As a result, you will get inbound lead for your business. Okay, so now let's take the example of a real estate business. Okay, so let me open my YouTube channel. Okay, so I have the YouTube channel here. I click on 1 second. I open this. Yeah, YouTube. I click on switch account. All right. Premier luxury homes. Okay, right. So I click on view your channel. 1 second. Just give me a second, please. Yeah. Just just give me a second. I think I have to share the YouTube channel link to my students. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I click on switch account. Yeah, 'Here it is. Here, your channel link. So I'll share the YouTube channel link to over here. Copy. I'll share it here. 1 second. Yeah. All right. Cool. Thanks. Okay. Now we are going to take the example here. Okay, so we are going to market this particular property here. It's 4 BHK luxury villa. Okay, so this is the video here. Okay, so So this is the property of
You've
11
amassed the
CR.
riches.
Okay, it's a property of 11 CR here. It's a beautiful property. So we have done the SEO optimization. Now the most important component here is whenever you are doing YouTube marketing, first thing is you have to do competitors research. Then you have to do keyword research. Then gather the competitors data from Google Ads library. Create the database, okay? Organic and ads, organic content and ads, and then go live. Okay, so now let's understand how are you going to do competitor research here, right? Okay, so I hope I'm audible, everyone. Yeah, so please type in the comments, yes, I'm audible. Okay, I'm audible, right? Okay, awesome, awesome, cool, 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 awesome. Okay, sure. Now what I do is, let's start with competitor research. Okay, so what I do is I just type here as 4 BHK luxury villa for sale in Mulchi. Okay, so let's understand the competitors here. Who are the core competitors? Okay, so what do you understand from this? Any YouTube video must have an attractive thumbnail. Any kind of YouTube video must have an attractive thumbnail, because attractive thumbnail is going to increase your CTR on your YouTube videos. This is one component. What is the next component? Your YouTube video needs to have SEO optimized title and description. Then your YouTube video needs to have proper keywords in the tag section. Okay, so these are the core components here, right? Okay, so let me show you something. So see, this is the SEO optimized title: 4 BHK luxurious lake view villa for sale in Wadi Mulshi, Lake Lonavala. Okay, it's a very beautiful property. Okay, so you could see I open this here.
सर एक आम आदमी ए और चैट जीपीटी से
Yeah, so let's see this. So now understand what kind of description they have integrated, right? Okay, so you could see they have used the call to action number. Okay, Amit Gupta, CTA. Okay, so this is the description, this is a call to action, because and these are the hashtags here, right? Okay, so this is the competitor research, right? So now what I'm going to show to all of you is the next part is what keyword research. Okay, the next section is keyword research. How to research keywords for your YouTube video. You need to understand that YouTube is a search engine, right? YouTube is the search engine. Okay, user will enter the target keyword, and then they will find your video in the YouTube search results, right? So now we will discuss what tools are necessary for YouTube keyword research. Okay, so what I do is I go back here. 1 second. Okay, awesome. There are two tools for keyword research. When it comes to YouTube marketing. First one is TubeBuddy. Next one is vidIQ. So you need to install the Google Chrome extension of TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Okay, so this is how it is. Please install these extensions. You just have to go to Google. Okay, just type here TubeBuddy Google Chrome extension here. Okay, just open this link, just install. Okay, from Chrome Web Store. Okay, the next is vidIQ Google Chrome extension here. Alright, okay, so just go back here to Chrome Web Store, install vidIQ. Please install this extension from Chrome Web Store. Alright, so now what I'll do is I'll open vidIQ here to understand how keyword research is done. So okay, so we will not use the extension here. Okay, so this is vidIQ. So what I do is I just click on login. Yeah, login. Go to vidiq.com, click on login, right? Okay, so you get this dashboard here, right? Okay, 1 second. Yeah, okay, so you get this dashboard. So it's gonna ask me what would you like to do today, or you would like to find trending keywords, or you would like to get video ideas, find trending videos, or generate video content here, right? Okay, then there are different components here when it comes to vidIQ, right? Okay, so here you have different options. You can click on optimize. Because they have a freemium version, you know, for a specific time they give you a free trial, then you know they take an X amount of money for that. Okay, so they have options. You can optimize, you can generate, then they help you to generate thumbnails also. So for now we are doing keyword research, so just click on the keywords tab. Navigation, menu. Okay, so I click on the keywords tab here. Alright, so see, now we are going to do keyword research from here when it comes to video marketing, right? So just you have to click on the box of search keywords. Click on the box search keywords in vidIQ. I just click on search keyword here. I'll just type here 4 BHK luxury villa for sale in Mulshi. Okay, I click on enter. Four BHK luxury villa for sale in Mulshi. Okay. So here you will find different options here. Overview, related keywords, matching terms, questions. Okay. So if I scroll down here, see, it's telling me 4 BHK luxury villa for sale in Mulshi. This is having a search volume of 1570.5. Okay, 1570 people are searching on YouTube for this particular keyword here. So it's a good keyword to target, right? Okay. So because it said your keyword should have a higher search volume in your YouTube video marketing strategy, then only your YouTube videos will start getting views. Okay, so now just click on the tab of related keywords. Okay, so let's click on the tab of related keywords. So I get to see search volume is 1570.5. The competition is very low. Okay, so luxury villa in Pune is this. So ideally you should target those keywords. You should target those keywords in your YouTube marketing strategy which is having high search volume and low competition. Okay, I hope I am clear. So on this, okay, so do you have any doubts still here, everyone? Any questions? You can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you. Okay. All right, cool. Thanks. All right, then. So now what I'll do is, once this is done, okay, so what do you have to do here? Let's go to the dashboard, okay, of YouTube. So that's called as YouTube Studio. Click here. Okay, just click on YouTube Studio here. Okay, so now we are on the channel dashboard here, right? Okay, so here you have different options: content, analytics, community, subtitles. Okay, so let's see if I click on analytics here. So here you have the most interesting component. Okay, so now in the analytics section, in the YouTube analytics section, okay, you have to click on the tab of trends. Okay, so let's see, if you create videos on the trending topics, your video is going to get a higher reach, right? Create videos on trending topics in your specified niche. Okay, so what I do is I click on trends here, right? So now it is going to give me ideas what people are actually looking for, right? So this is going to give me a lot of ideas. So say people are looking for luxury villa for sale in Lonavala, okay, luxury villa for sale in Mumbai. So these are actually users searching. So YouTube is giving me ideas. Hey, look, users are actually searching for this keyword. So why not you create content for this particular keyword as well? Okay, video content. So this is going to give me leads, right? So Villa was selling Tungali, Lolavla. So actually these are trending keywords here. Okay, India specific niche here, right? Okay, see now it's telling me new videos to inspire you. Okay, 3 weeks ago this video has got 108.4k views. Okay, then 3 weeks ago this video has got 20k views. 2 weeks ago 14.7k views. So you need to study those videos. You need to study those videos in your niche which has gone viral, right? You have to study the viral videos. Okay, and plus understand the keyword trends from YouTube analytics. Awesome, clear everyone? Any doubts, any questions? Okay, so this is something very important when it comes to creating content on the YouTube platform. Okay, awesome. Okay, cool. Now what I'll do is, if you have to research keyword, right? Okay, so you can also research keywords with the help of Google Trends. So let's understand Google Trends also. I open Google Trends. 1 second. Okay, so now if I open Google Trends, I'll just click on this link. Okay, so in Google Trends you have three options here. Okay, so but the most important is explore and trending now. Okay, understand the option of explore and trending now. Okay, so let's first click on trending now. So what you get to see from this, this is a very generic data which Google Trends will actually tell you. Okay, so this is something trending. Okay, it's a generic data here, right? Again I go back to home tab here, right? Okay, I scroll down, see what you get. Understand one important component. Whenever you're using any particular tool, okay, what you have to do is you have to first play with the tool and understand the functionalities of that particular tool here, right? Okay, so here you can select your country. Okay, all right, then you just click on explore. Okay, now in the explore tab you have to add the search term. Okay, so I see here in the search term you have to have a broad targeting option. Do not go for narrow targeting. In Google Trends search term, you need to follow the process of broad targeting. Okay, this is something very important. So now I click on add a search term. I just say here 4 BHK villa for sale in Lonavala. Okay, let me see what's trending here. Okay, so let's say I click on past day. Is it trending? Let's see. For past day, is this keyword in trending here? No, this is not trending, right? So now what you have to do here is understand real estate. Okay, this is the generic term. Okay, real estate. Okay, just type the search term real estate here. If you go for long tail terms, this is not going to give you results. Okay, now in real estate terms, here you have option web search. So now in this you have to select YouTube search. Select term as real estate. Then select here as YouTube search. Okay, yeah, this is YouTube search. Now from this data you will get to know in India which is the state which is having maximum demand for real estate properties. Okay, so as per the Google Trends data, this is telling me, okay, Telangana, one is Tamil Nadu, one is Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi. Okay, if I click on the next tab here, okay, so Maharashtra is coming on number 8, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. Okay, so now this is one thing. Second thing, if you want to see real estate queries, so what keywords people are actually searching for. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, so Google Trends will actually give you broad data. It will not give you narrow data here. Okay, I hope I'm pretty clear on this. So you can search keyword with the help of Google Trends. Okay, to get broad vision, but ideally TubeBuddy and vidIQ is going to be of great help when it comes to narrowing down your keyword data. Okay, all right, clear everyone? Any doubts, any questions? Okay, awesome. Okay, so now what I do is, now let's go back here. I click on the content tab here. Okay, so here it is, content tab. So understand, okay, let's say for example, I'll show you one video which we created, 4 BHK luxury villa in Lonavala with swimming pool. Okay, I just click on the pencil icon, click on details. Okay, so here you could see, all right, see we created the thumbnail here. Okay, so plus we added the contact number, we added the price, so any user who will actually see the video, right, okay, they should immediately call us. Okay, so this is how we generate leads here. Then we added SEO optimized title description. Okay, then you could see here, okay, then we added thumbnails. Then you have to create your playlist. Okay, you need to create your playlist on the YouTube editor. Create playlist in the YouTube editor. So how can you create the playlist here? You just click on your drop down. Okay, just click on the tab of new playlist and it's all done. Okay, so this is how it is. Then always make sure that you should select this option, no it's not made for kids. Then leave all this option as it is. Here this is the important tab. You have to add your keywords in the tag section over here. Ideally it should be 5 to 6. It should be 5 to 6 keywords in the tag section. Okay, clear everyone? One thing, make sure the keyword before you upload your YouTube video, the keyword should be in your file name, like 4 BHK luxury villa for sale in Lonavala .mp4. So this is how it has to be, right? Okay, keyword .mp4. So whatever property you are selling, so name of the property .mp4. Do not have generic terms over here. Okay, one second, my dear students. Because now you might be wondering how can I make money with this? Just collab with any real estate builder. So let's say ticket size of the villa is 5 CR. They pay you commission of minimum 2%. 2%. So you make flat 10 lakhs. After sales. But what is the process here? See, when it comes to YouTube marketing, one is branding, the next phase is lead generation, the next phase is sales conversion. This is the funnel of YouTube marketing process. Clear, everyone? Any doubts, any questions? Awesome. Clear. Awesome. Great. So now here, see, first thing, you need to set up your YouTube channel here. Okay, you click on analytics, you get to know everything. Okay, so for example, what is the overview, what is the reach, engagement, audience. Okay, so let's say views is 7.1k, what is the watch time of the video. Okay, so I click on the reach tab. Okay, 4.9k impressions, what is the CTR, 8.2% is the CTR. So you have to have very attractive thumbnail here. Okay, engagement, let's click on the engagement tab. Okay, so I scroll down here, so you can see average view per duration. User will not have much patience, they are not going to watch a complete video, right? Okay, so if they watch for a minute or so and they'll immediately call you. Okay, average percentage viewed is 58.3% and average view duration is 1 minute 28 seconds here. Okay, yeah, so this is how you understand how your video is performing from the YouTube analytics here. Okay, so I click on the audience tab here. Okay, so we understand. Okay, we got maximum users from the mobile phone, then from television, then from computers. So 90% understand this, my friend. 90%, okay, of the users in the real estate niche are from mobile phone. People will not go on desktop platform at all. So your YouTube video has to be optimized for the mobile platform. In my detailed training programs, I can tell you how you can optimize your YouTube video for the mobile platform as well. Okay, awesome. So this is how you get to know as per the device type. Okay, then you get to know about comments. Okay, all right, so how many comments you have got, and this is how it is. Okay, so this is the funnel of organic YouTube marketing here. Okay, so now we will also understand the other components here. Okay, so now there are different content which are published on the YouTube platform. One is long form YouTube videos. Next is YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is going to get you maximum subscribers. You all use smartphones, right? Okay, so you can use VN app, you can use VN app, InShot. Okay, then you can use Wondershare Filmora. Okay, to create awesome YouTube shorts. So let me take you back to the Excel file here. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so now when it comes to content creation, okay, so the most important part here is you have to identify which are the key moments in your long form videos. Okay, then you have to pinpoint engaging or emotional segments here to convert them into prospective buyer. Now there are a lot of AI tools out there wherein you can convert your YouTube video into a YouTube short, but this is a paid tool. AI tool convert the YouTube video into the YouTube shorts. One is called as Nexus Clip. Okay, so what I do is I'll open Nexus Clip here. Okay, see, this is the tool Nexus Clips. You can create clips of your videos here, okay, and then publish them as shorts. AI for viral clips for all type of content here, right? So I suggest that please explore this particular AI tool. This is amazing tool, right? Okay, so I'm going to tell you some interesting options as well over here. I click on next, schedule all your content with one click, next, import your videos. So now you have to connect your YouTube video. I click on continue. Okay, see, they have the free version, they have the paid version. Okay, so this is a manual editor, you can keep it free. You can edit clip for TikTok manually with watermark. Okay, so you can use the free version, and there are a lot of tools where you can remove the watermark as well. You just have to import your YouTube video and create the clip for YouTube shorts. Okay, so please try Nexus Clips over here because I have a lot to cover in this session, so I need to move a bit faster as well. Okay, so I hope this is pretty clear, my dear students. Any doubts, any questions? Okay, lovely. Yeah, I'll definitely send a text for sure. Yeah, I will send all the text which I'm writing in the notepad, okay, to all of you. All right, so that will be uploaded in the Google Classroom as well. Okay, lovely. Now we are going to do YouTube ads for lead generation. Okay, so now what I do is I go back to ads.google.com. Open ads.google.com over here. Then click on sign in. Okay, I click on sign in. Then you have to select your Google Ads account here. Okay, I select your Google Ads account. Okay, so I just select this ad account here for now. Okay, yeah, awesome. Now just I'm in the Google Ads dashboard here. Okay, click on the campaigns tab. Then you have to click on the plus icon. Plus icon, create campaign, plus new campaign. Okay, now you have to select your campaign objective. Okay, so if you want to select a campaign objective, right? So here you have sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness and consideration. Okay, local store visits and promotion, and create a campaign without guidance. Okay, so whenever you are starting a video marketing campaign, okay, so first you need to start with awareness and consideration. Start with the campaign objective of awareness and consideration, and then with leads. Let's say you have the campaign budget of 20,000 rupees. So you have to divide your budget. Divide your budget 10,000 rupees for awareness and consideration, and 10,000 rupees for leads. Okay, so this is how you have to divide your budget. Okay, so now I click on awareness and consideration. Alright, cool. Now I click on awareness and consideration. Then you have to select your campaign type here. Select video. Okay, I select video here. Then you have to select your campaign subtype. So here you have different options here when you select your campaign subtype, right? Okay, so what all are the options here? One is video views, video reach, ad sequence, audio. Okay, so here you have to select the option of video views. Okay, sounds good. Then click on continue. Now we are on the general settings of the campaign. So let's define the campaign name. Keep any of it as of now. Campaign name, I'll say video views. Okay, so that's fine. Now you have to select the multi-ad formats. So what does this mean when you select multi-format ads or multi-ad formats? What does that mean? That you have to get more views with multi-format video ads. So it could be the combination of skippable in-stream ad, in-feed ads, and short ads. Okay. Now you have to select your bidding strategy. It is target CPV. So what does CPV means? is cost per view. So that means that you will be charged when user will actually view your video. Okay, so that is cost per view. Then you have to define the budgets and dates. Okay, enter your campaign total. I'll say daily budget. For now, I'll say yes, 10,000 rupees. Daily budget is 10k. Define a start date and end date. Then select your networks. Select your networks. Okay, so I scroll down here. Okay, so it's YouTube basically. Always make sure you uncheck this option video partners on the Google Display Network. Uncheck this option video partners on the Google Display Network. Okay, I hope I am pretty clear. Yeah, everyone? Any doubts, any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Alright, cool. Thanks. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so now I uncheck this particular option here. Then you have to select your location. I want my ads to be seen in Mumbai. Only in Mumbai. Because Mumbaikars have a lot of money, right, in the real estate niche. So I want to make sure that my ads are seen in Mumbai here. So what I do is I select another location. I just type here as Mumbai. Amchi Mumbai. Yep, I click on include. Okay. Because Mumbai is the financial capital. It's like 5 CR, 10 CR is like 5 lakh, 10 lakhs in Mumbai. Because I've seen that much money in Mumbai market for real estate segment. Okay, so we want to show our ad to only those users who are residing in Mumbai location. Okay, so see here you could see 4 billion impressions are there, right? Then you have to select your languages. I see your English, Hindi, Marathi. English. Okay, see my impression count has increased. I'll see as Hindi. Gujaratis have a lot of money. Guju people have a lot of money. Okay, because as for the community, you get to know. Marathi. Generally, Maharashtrian also they have money. Okay, then is Gujarati. Because most of the Gujaratis stays in Navi Mumbai and in Bandra side, Bandra Andheri side, a lot of Guju people stay there. Gujarati. Yeah, here it is. Okay? Yeah, awesome. Now, here this is one more option that you can create a related video section here. Okay, you can add the related videos if you want. You can definitely do that as well. Now we will create the ad group. Now let's use AI to make our work efficient and productive. Okay, so let's start doing that as well. Oh, session has gone to 50 minutes. This is pretty long, man. Okay, sounds good. Now what I do is I select a new Google profile, Mother Digital. I go back to ChatGPT. Yeah. Okay. So now what I do is here I'll say suggest ChatGPT prompt. Always use ChatGPT because guys, this is the age of AI. If you're not using ChatGPT, you're out of the race. Okay, because ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Meta AI, there's a tough fight. Okay, so you should know how to use artificial intelligence in your upcoming technology as well. Okay, so now what we are going to do over here, let's understand that. Okay, we will create the ads here, right? First, let's create the ads. Okay, yeah, I'll go back here to create. See, this is how it is. YouTube ads for 4 BHK villa in Mulshi at 11. Sorry, it has come down. Which should solve the purpose of lead generation. Okay, so I just click on enter over here. This is going to give me the prompt here. So this is how you have to write the prompt here. Okay, so now first thing is you have to design the YouTube ad script, right? Okay, because see, this is the ready-made video which we have deployed. But when you are actually working on the YouTube marketing campaign, you have to first write the script, then you have to create the video. Okay, so this is the script here. See, this is the script. YouTube script. Okay. Create a compelling YouTube ad script which should be 60 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds that promote a luxury 4 BHK villa located in Moshi, Pune, price at 11 crore. The script should hook the viewer in the first 5 seconds. You have to highlight the USPs like scenic views, premium amenities, then proximity, exclusivity to nature. Then you include a strong call to action for booking site visits. You need to have a persuasive and emotional language to appeal to luxury property buyers, optimize for lead generation with immediate action on your landing page. Then assume visual which shows the villa, aerial shot, interiors, lifestyles, scenes, etc. Okay, so now what I do is I go back to my ad campaign. Now it is very important that you have to start your audience targeting. What should be the campaign structure for your YouTube ads? One campaign, one ad group, one targeting, and two ads. So this should be the campaign structure for your YouTube ads. Okay, clear everyone? Any doubts, any questions till here? Okay, awesome, awesome. Thanks for your patience. This session is getting extended quite long. Thank you so much for your patience here because I'll try to make it as interesting as possible. Okay, so then you have to add a name to your audience here. Okay, so this is one option you can select here. Okay, now before I add a name to my audience here, I'll say here as luxury villa buyers in Mumbai. Okay, then you have to select your demographics, add the audience name, select your demographics. Okay, so what I do is, yeah, I'll click on unknown. So now here when you're selecting the demographics, you have to define the buyer's persona. Okay, right? Awesome. So now, ideally, somebody who is of 18 years of old age, he is not going to buy a property of 11 crore, right? So it could be somewhere in between the range of 35 to, I'll say here as 54, because they are in that mid range, right? Okay, you define the age range here. So now, once you define the age, you have to click on additional demographics. Okay, click on additional demographics here. Unknown. So see, somebody, you have to actually select the household income. Okay, somebody who is in lower 50%, they are not going to buy the property of 11 crore, right? So now you have to select the household income. Okay, I select that over here. See, top 10%. Okay, so I will only select top 10% to 20% because this is the high ticket property, right? Okay, so here see that my impressions count has gone down because I am narrowing down my target audience here, right? Okay, so how my demographics, additional demographics is predefined. So my dear students, you have any doubts till here, so before I move forward? Any doubts, any questions? Okay, I hope I'm pretty audible now, right? Okay, yeah, awesome. Okay, now here you have different options here. Now you have to click on the option of interest and detailed demographics. Okay, detailed demographics here. I click here. So here you have different segments here. Okay, what are the different kind of audience here? Okay, one is in market audience, one is affinity audience, one is custom audience. Okay, so we will understand one target audience in today's session because YouTube ads is way too vast, right? So here you will narrow your audience search to people who are matching your requirement, right? You click on search or you can click on browse. See, in browse you have different options. You have in market, you have live events, you have detailed demographics, you have affinity, you have custom interest as well. Okay, right? So let's understand in market audience today. Yeah, awesome. Okay, sounds good. Search for in market audience. So I'll say luxury villa in Lonavala. Okay, see, this is the in market audience here. So I'll select here as vacation villas. Okay, so I'll say luxury villa in Lonavala for sale. See, villas for sale. Okay, let's select this option here. Okay, so then be very specific here. I'll scroll down over here. Yeah, okay. 1 second. See, we will select here as apartment for sale. Okay, then new apartment for sale. Okay, it is 89 million. So this is in market audience, you can select here, but I'm just giving you an example on how you can actually set up the audience targeting YouTube ads campaign. So this is in market. Now we will try to understand the custom audience, right? So now you have to click on plus new segment. Okay, I click here. See, this is called as custom audience here, right? Okay, now what I do is I just type here as 4 BHK villa for sale in Mulchi. Okay, so now here you have the option here as okay. So before I tell you the option, define your segment name in custom audience here. Then you have to add the option of people with any of this interest or purchase intentions. Add interest or purchase intentions. So I scroll down here. Okay, so there are different options here, right? People who browse specific type of website, you can also add that option here, or you can say people who use type of apps here. So now if I want to understand purchase intentions here, I'll say luxury villa for sale. Let's see what Google is going to give you the options here. See, luxury property for sale, luxury mansions for sale. Okay, then luxury property for sale. Okay, so let's, yeah. So now if I add the option here, right? So on the right hand side, you will see the segment insights. Okay, that is how much 500 million to 1 billion. So you understand your buyer persona from here. Your gender is 72% is male, okay, because generally males take the decision making in real estate property. Age range is 33% is 25 to 34. Parental status 74% are non-parents. And the topics is residential sales or real estate properties. Okay, so then you have to click on save here. Okay, awesome, clear, everyone? Any doubts? Any questions? Okay, sounds good. Just give me a second, please. Yeah, I'll definitely share that notepad file with Kinjal. Okay? Yeah, awesome. Now you can also add your data as well. Okay? Never click on the option of enable audience expansion, otherwise you'll end up spending a lot of money here. Now you can also have the option of keywords, but ideally you should not go with more than one targeting, right? You can add keywords, or you can add topics, or you can add placements, right? Now let's create the video ads. Okay, so now I go back to my YouTube video. Yeah, here it is. Switch account over here. premier luxury homes. Okay, yeah, cool. Then I click on view your channel. I select this option here. Okay, copy this link over here. Now just enter your YouTube video link in the your YouTube video box. Okay, I copied this over here. Alright, cool. See, this is how it is getting here, right? Okay, see. Now, I don't want to take my user to the landing page. I can copy the same here, okay? So either you can direct the user to your landing page or you can direct the user to the same URL. Now you have to enter your final URL, display URL. Enter the display URL, enter the final URL. Okay, so in my next session I'll tell you how you can create a highly optimized landing page. Okay, so here it is. I copy the same over here. Yeah, yeah, so here it is. Now enter your display URL. I'll say luxury. See, what is the 15 characters? Luxury villa, part 1, part 2. Okay, then you have to enter your call to action. Okay, I enter the call to action here. So now you have to use ChatGPT, right? Okay, so now let's go back to ChatGPT. So this is how you can make your work fast and quick. Okay, suggest ChatGPT prompts to write call to action in 10 characters for 4 BHK luxury villa in Lonavala. Always follow this practice. Okay, yes please. I just type here yes please. Yeah, see. Okay, I copy this over here. Go Lonavala, or I say book 4BH. I say villa now. Yeah. Okay. So now AI is also going to fetch the data. So Google AI algorithm is also going to fetch the data about your campaign here, right? Okay. So see, it has fetched the data over here. So I'll say yes. For example, you can use ChatGPT also to write the ad headline. I'll say 4 BHK luxury villa Mulshi here, right? Headline. So long headline also it will suggest me, right? Okay, 4 BHK luxury villa with private pool in Mulshi near Pune. Description also it will suggest me. See, okay, perfect for those seeking elegance and tranquility. So now you might be wondering from where this has got this description. It is got from the YouTube video over here, right? Okay, so this is the description. Define your ad name, right? A long headline, description, headline. Okay, right? Headline in 30 characters, right? Long headline in 90 characters, right? description in 90 characters. You can use ChatGPT or you can use Gemini also to create your ads, or you can take the help of Google AI algorithm as well to create your ads as well. Okay, but this is only used for content ideation here. Okay, define your ad name. Okay, luxury villa for sale in Mulshi. That's it. Then you can get vertical versions of your videos. Always select that as well. One ad. My bid, I'll say, now define your target CPV bid. Okay, let me do that as well. So I'll definitely bid more higher, right? Okay, so you can improve your campaign potential reach and performance by using a bid of 0.59. I'll say 0.80. Okay, so here on the right hand side, what do you see? If I bid for 0.80, my view count will be to 110k to 750k. My impression will be 840k to 2.3 billion. My average CPV will be 0.03 to 0.37. Budget spend will be 95% to 100%. So this will be my estimated performance if I bid for 0.80 CPV bid here. Okay, clear? That's it. Then click on create campaign. Okay, if I click on create campaign here, that's it. Yeah, awesome. So congratulations, your campaign is ready. So now it will go in the review board, and definitely once it gets approved, your campaign goes live. And this is how we have understood two components here: organic marketing, paid marketing, how to generate leads, okay, how to research your competitors. One more tool I'll tell you before I end this session here. You can also go to Google Ad Library. To understand your competitors' ad on the YouTube platform. So how are you supposed to use this tool? So this is a big time question, right? Okay, so now if I want to use this tool, so what am I going to do is I open this link, Ad Transparency Center. First thing, its session is going very long. Thanks for patience, but this is the last part I'll try to cover. Now if you want to use Google Ad Library, you can search by advertiser or website name, right? Okay, so now what I do is I go back to YouTube. Okay, I type here as 4 BHK luxury villa for sale in Mulshi. Let's say if I do this, I want to understand who is the advertiser here. So this person name is Amit Gupta. Okay, let me see if he is actually trying to do ads here. See, I could see this guy is actually doing ads here. Amit Gupta, multiple advertiser accounts have a similar name. He has actually created 655 ads here. Alright, okay. So a lot of ads he has already done over here, right? Okay, so here it is. Now what you have to do is you just click on YouTube platform. Okay, If it is a relevant ad, go for it. If it's irrelevant, just ignore and try for some other advertiser. So this is how you can use Google Ad Library to your advantage to understand your competitors' ads. All right. With this, I end my today's session. Thank you so much for your patience. I'll log back to Google Meet. Okay. Looking forward to see you in the next session with a lot of valuable insights. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.